डियर फ्रेंड्स, पेस विद स्टार्स चैनल पर आप सभी लोगों का हार्दिक स्वागत है। आज इस स्पेशल एपिसोड में हम लोग राहु व केतु ग्रह के बारे में ब्रीफ डिस्कशन करेंगे। तदुपरांत पिछले 25 एपिसोड में प्रत्येक दिन बीएसई इंडेक्स की भविष्यवाणी का एक्चुअल बीएसई इंडेक्स से कंपेयर करने के उपरांत जो वेरिएशन था उसे प्रस्तुत किया गया था। Today we are going to review and let's see where we stands. So let us discuss in brief about राहु एंड केतु। मित्रों, जैसा आप जानते हैं कि इवन इन साइंस as well as in engineering also there are various places when we use empirical formulas as well as in certain cases we make certain design assumptions and based on that we do our designs. Similarly, in astrology also we have certain assumptions. One of the basic and foremost assumption in the astrology is that we consider all planet and stars of the universe as graha only or planet. There is no difference between planet or stars. We know that in the solar system, sun is stationary and all other celestial bodies move around the sun in a definite orbit with a definite speed. However, the speed of different bodies changes from time to time. The moon moves around the earth in a definite orbit, and earth has got two type of the movement. It rotates about its axis, and secondly it moves around the sun also. But due to relative motion and we stay on the earth, it appears that earth is stationary and all other celestial bodies takes round around the earth in the different orbits. The apparent annual path of the sun around the earth is known as ecliptic. This ecliptic is inclined at 23 degree 28 minutes to the celestial equator. In fact, it is the earth that is moving around the sun. So exactly it is the projection of the earth's annual path around the sun on the cosmetic sphere. There is another term which is known as nodes. Nodes are the point at which the orbit of any planet cuts the plane of ecliptic during the course of its movement. When the said heavenly body crosses the ecliptic plane, the crossing points are called nodes. When the moon crosses this ecliptic, then it is the node of the moon. These intersection points of moon are designated as Rahu and Ketu. Since these nodes of moon plays vital role in the life of human being, as such they have been treated as planets in the astrology. Rahu and Ketu are the intersection points and they are not a celestial bodies, so they are also known as Chayagraha. We consider total 9 planets. They are Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, Rahu and Ketu. The Vedic astrology is based on these 9 planets. Other celestial bodies are not considered. So this was all about Rahu and Ketu in brief. Now let us discuss about our previous forecast. Dear friends, predicting share market in the present scenario like pandemic, border issues with neighboring countries is a task, and further giving index value is a challenge. But as you know, challenges are always welcome. Now let us discuss about our previous forecast. आपके स्क्रीन पर जो टेबल प्लेस की गई है उसके फर्स्ट कॉलम में we have dates from 28th August to 14th September. Beside this date column we have another 14 columns. These columns contain deviation in the percentage. This deviation is between the actual market index versus anticipated index predicted one day in advance. You all are aware that prediction was made with every half an hour interval from morning 9 o'clock to 3:30 p.m. Thus we have 14 figures on daily basis. The other table contains deviation for dates from 15th September to 1st October. Thus, we have total 25 days with 350 predictions of BSE Sensex over a period of time. Based on these two tables, a bar chart has been prepared. On the horizontal axis, we have deviation in percentage with an increment of 0.25%, that is 0 to 0.25, 0.25 to 0.5, 0.5 to 0.75 and so on. At last, we have greater than 3%. The bars contain number of occurrences in that particular deviation range. For example, first bar of the bar chart reveals that in the range of percentage deviation from 0 to 0.5, there are 81 occurrences during the prediction made from 28th August to 1st October. That means जो भविष्यवाणी पिछले 25 दिनों में की गई हैं उनका डिविएशन 81 टाइम्स 0.25% से कम रहा है. इसी प्रकार बाकी के बार चार्ट सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी हैं. द पाई चार्ट हैज़ बीन ड्रॉन फॉर दीज टू tables. This chart reveals that 23% predictions lies between 0 to 0.25% deviation, 20% predictions lies between 0.25 to 0.5% deviation. This pie chart indicates that 70% predictions lies within the range of 0 to 1% deviation. Rest 30% predictions are greater than 1%, falling in different slots as shown in the pie chart. So, this is the story of past 25 working days of BSE market. दोस्तों, पेस विद स्टार्स चैनल देखने व सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए धन्यवाद. Now, looking forward on 5th October when the market will open. Till then, goodbye. Have a good day.